Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon mobile app and enable package tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, unlock your mobile device and locate your app store. If you're using an Android device, find the Google Play Store icon. For an iPhone, look for the App Store icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the App Store. In the search bar, type Amazon and hit search. Locate the Amazon Shopping app in the search results. Tap on the app to view more details. Press the Install or Get button to download the app. Once the app is installed, open it by tapping on the icon. If you already have an Amazon account, enter your login details. If you don't have an account, tap on Create an account to set one up. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the option labeled Account. In the Accounts section, find and tap on your orders. Scroll down to locate the order you want to track. Tap on the order to see its details. You will now see the tracking information for your package. If you want to receive notifications, enable notifications in the app settings. Go back to the main menu and select Settings. Find the Notifications option and turn on Package Tracking Alerts. You have now successfully downloaded the Amazon mobile app and enabled package tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.